After uploading my SIOMAI video, I know you are hoping for a chili garlic sauce recipe to complete your dim sum indulgence. Before you ask for it, here it is as our Hobby Cooks edition continues. Only right here at Michelle's Cuisine. And these are our ingredients. For the complete recipe, please check the description box. To begin, peel 1 head of garlic and just roughly chop it since we will grind it using a blender. It is best to use a food processor if you have. We will need 1/2 cup of olive oil for the whole recipe, but in processing the garlic, just add 1/4 cup. Once the garlic are grounded, set it aside and let's grind our chili and add the rest of the oil. Oops! He left a little oil. Cook the garlic in super low heat to avoid it from burning. As we all know, garlic tastes bitter when burnt. Gently simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. And there goes the little oil that he left. Once the garlic has slightly browned, add your grounded chili. Just mix it while scraping some of the garlic that are sticking at the bottom of the pan. Then let's add in our seasonings. Soy sauce, salted black beans that has been washed and chopped, white sugar, MSG, paprika, just mix it well, and now that we have added liquids, the garlic that are sticking at the bottom of the pan has already softened. Let's add in our vinegar. Don't mix it and let it simmer uncovered for 1 minute. And for our final touch, turn off the heat and add in our liquid seasoning and sesame oil. And that's it, our chili garlic sauce is done. It smells so good at mapaparize ka sa sarap.